So today we are in Mondial de l'Automobile in Paris and we just inaugurate the opening of our subsidiary Ekoenergetyka France. This is a very important milestone for our company.
The reason of the opening of the new subsidiary is because we have made a lot of successes here in France and we wanted to be able to support the sales, support the after sales and services. So the company has just inaugurated. We're having a party with a guest, very important people from the French market, customers and politicians which supported Ekoenergetyka in the past.
Bonjour à tous, ravi de vous annoncer la création d'Ekoenergetyka France. Toute l'équipe se tient à votre disposition pour répondre à vos questions sur nos produits, sur nos services. Donc on vous dit à bientôt.